little artists! Do you like watermelon juice? Today, we're going to draw this yummy, smiley watermelon juice together.
Yay!
Let's grab our black marker and start. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a big rectangle. This is our juice glass. Now, let's draw a wavy line near the top. This is the juice level. Splashy and fun. On the top corner of the glass, let's draw a slice of watermelon, triangle shape with a rind. Yum! Time for some ice cubes. Let's draw little square shapes inside the glass. Ice, ice, baby. Now, we'll draw a straw, a long curved tube so we can sip our juice.
La da 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 dee.
Slurp. Let's make it even cuter. Draw two big sleepy eyes and a tiny happy smile in the middle. And now, let's draw some tiny heart shapes all around the glass, just like this. Great job, everyone! Our drawing is almost ready. Let's make the outline bold and sharp. Go over all the lines again. This makes our drawing pop. Whoa! You're doing amazing!
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Yay! Grab your colors. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Pink color. Green color. Blue color. And that's it. We've drawn and colored a super cute watermelon juice together. Don't forget to show your art to someone you love. Bye-bye, little artists. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.